Hi there, I'm Jimmy Hickey. Welcome to 5-Minute Guided Meditation for Sleep. This meditation will help you relax your body and mind and prepare you for a good night's sleep, or perhaps just a delicious afternoon nap. Be sure to set yourself up someplace quiet and be sure to turn off your phone. You may want to place a blanket over your body to stay warm, and maybe even wear a sleep mask or blindfold over your eyes to block out the light. Sit comfortably in a chair or lie down on your bed or a yoga mat. Whatever your position, let your body start to relax. Feel yourself supported by the chair, the mattress, or the floor. If you notice any discomfort in this position, then shift your body until you find a position that feels good for you. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Soften the mouth. Bring the attention to the breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Visualize a warm beam of sunlight beginning to shine on the top of your head. Feel it warming your skin. Feel your scalp begin to relax. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Allow the beam of sunlight to move to your forehead, to your left eyebrow, your right eyebrow, the space between your eyebrows, your eyelids, your eyes, your cheekbones, your ears, the tip of your nose, your nostrils. Feel the breath moving in and out of the nostrils for several breaths. Now allow the beam of sunlight to move to your lips, your jaw, your chin. Allow the beam of sunlight to move to your neck and throat. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling completely. Allow the beam of sunlight to move to your collarbones, to your right shoulder, your right arm, your elbow, your wrist, your hand, fingers, and fingertips. Allow the beam of sunlight to float up to your left shoulder, your left arm, your elbow, wrist, hand, fingers, and fingertips. Allow the beam of sunlight to move now to your chest, shining warmly on your breast or pecs. Feel the beam of sunlight move to your upper belly, your belly button, your lower belly. Feel it floating down over your genitals. Inhaling deeply, exhaling completely. Feel the beam of light moving all the way down to the toes of your right foot, to the arch of your foot, your ankle, calf, knee, thigh, right hip. Feel it shining through your hip all the way down into your right butt cheek. Inhaling deeply, exhaling completely. Feel the beam of light moving now all the way down to the toes of your left foot, to the arch of your foot, your ankle, calf, knee, thigh, left hip, and shining through your hip all the way down into your left butt cheek. Inhaling deeply, exhaling completely. Feel the beam of light moving now from your left butt cheek back to your belly button, to the bottom of the ribs, and up to your heart. Feel it warming your heart. Feel it pulsing and growing larger with each heartbeat. See it becoming the size of the chest, expanding to the size of the torso, expanding to include your arms, your legs, expanding to include your head, feeling your entire body in a warm, delicious pool of sunlight. Feel yourself melting and growing very heavy, very sleepy, very relaxed. Inhale with your entire body. Exhale all tension, all worries, all anxieties. Inhaling space, peace, love, and relaxation. At this point, if you'd like, you can continue on to sleep. Otherwise, it's time to release the focus from the breath, allowing any sensations in the body to settle, and in your own time, whenever you're ready, gently opening the eyes. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this meditation, then I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new meditation videos every week. Until then, may you be happy, healthy, and get a good night's sleep. Thank you.